This is baker. This time, take 1 hour introducing our machine. This is baker. I'm the export sales manager of a mid-sized spring machine manufacturer. This is baker. Today, February the 18th. And here today, temperature about 21 Celsius degree. Tuesday. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer in South China, in Dongguan City. And our factory, just 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site. Just 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site, my office. So, let me introduce 3 parts. Our factory briefing, our machine, and their abilities. Show you the machine, show you our general idea of our factory, and the samples. Some of the samples for regular, for special samples. Okay, firstly, let me introduce myself. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer, and this is one of our machine. This is the running, just showcase, running showcase for this machine. This area for our spring machine assembly site as well for the training, for the free using training. This just a showcase, running showcase for how it's moved. This one comes with wire rotary. Total 12 axles for wire 8 millimeter. For wire 8 millimeter. This one. Okay, I'm a baker, export sales manager. This is the machine, 12 axles for the work panel wide, 6 feet, 1.83 meter, 6 feet, and 1.86 for the work panel. 8 sliders, the spinner for wire 8 centimeter, 8 millimeter, and the 12 axles. 5 parts of this machine. 5 parts of this machine. Wire decoil, the shamble, including wire rotary and the wire feeding. Then goes to work panel, the tools, the sliders, the tool, the nail, the slider, the tool holder, the movable tool holder, and the tools. Tools made of material. Tool steel. The spinner. So a whole set machine, including the wire feeding tools, also like feeding roller, and the guiding plates, and the forming tools for typical task, for specific task. The forming tools like the manger, the tools, the special tools, the spinner tools, and the electric parts at the chassis. The shamble, including the wire rotary, gear drive, wire rotary, and the feeding, and the wire feeding gearbox for wire feeding. 4 pair feeding rods, wire feeding. Okay, my friend. Okay, Mr. Salah. Okay, do you have some inquiry? If you have inquiry, you can add my WhatsApp and my WeChat. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City in South China. And our factory, within 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site. Also, our factory the most common way of dealing dealing. Our most of our deals are reached at the trade terms FOB Shenzhen because we are closer to Shenzhen, FOB Shenzhen. And for small machines, we also use goes to safe terms and payment in TT, payment in TT. Okay, uh, tele, telegraph transfer, and this is the machine. Carries 12 axes as total. Once is here's a server sizer, then goes to 13 axes. And this machine or similar, a lot of beer for this machine goes for agriculture purpose, make the lake teas, agriculture for strawberry for harvester. For example, the mostly this machine goes running, mass producing the lake teas, also like this. This machine lake teas. For example, this mostly at wire size 4 to 8 millimeter, carbon steel 4 to 8 millimeter. Okay, Mr. Sarah Crawford, please write me your message in simple, correct English, please. Okay. This is the lake teas for agriculture purpose. Agriculture in machinery widely used. We do a lot of selling, a lot of the machines goes client using for making agriculture lake teas for a while 4 to 8 millimeter, mostly 4 to 8 millimeter. Materials like carbon steel, mostly in carbon steel. Okay, this just the learning showcase, just a showcase because I had stopped the wire feeding. If is the open the wire feeding, then it can make it the sample like this. 6 millimeter carbon steel tent camp, 4 ground nail tent camp, 4 corner ground stake, ground nail tent camp, using in tent and camp. This one at least about 10 pieces per minute. This one 10 pieces per minute. So as well, this machine as well making like this 7 millimeter carbon steel chucks. This using in the chucks, very type of the using in the chucks exchanger spring. 7 millimeter carbon steel. Okay, this one 7 millimeter carbon steel. This 7 millimeter carbon steel. Okay, this. So we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, near very close to Canton Fair site, just within 1 hour to Canton Fair site. Every summer, in May or June, in early stage of May or June, we will attend annually every year Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition. We will attend it every year. The exhibition. This is our catalog in Chinese, English. Our machine mostly the operating system in language Chinese, English, or customized our operation system in language Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian. as well Turkish. Okay, so if you have the inquiry, send me your inquiry by WhatsApp, by WeChat. Send me your inquiry to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. Okay, my offense, you can take a picture of this, take a picture, and give me then at my WhatsApp. So you can add my WhatsApp, send me your picture at my WhatsApp, send me your inquiry, send me your sample drawing, PDF picture or PDF file, or next time once you come to South China, you can bring along with the samples. Come to our factory, let's have a face-to-face meeting, discussion, the possible cooperation. We will provide you professional solution for regular springs, for special springs, for tailor-made products. Okay, regular spring, special spring, or tailor-made products. Because nowadays we do more and more deal, more and more orders, origin as the provide tailor-made solutions for this for those clients. Next, I'll show you the samples ever made by our machine. For example, the samples are like this. The spiral wire mesh. The spiral wire mesh. For regular spring, for compression, for uh, regular compression spring and the special compression spring, also like this wire bending, wire forming products. This is one of the parts in using as ice fishing, one of the ice fishing kit, one part of the ice fishing in using this compression spring using an automatic drink machine, automatic beverage selling machine, automatic drink a beverage selling machine. So I show you some more samples. The wire bending products, wire forming this page, art crafted page, like the shape of English Premier League trophy, English Premier League trophy. This one, like wire bending, 1.4 millimeter stainless steel by our spring forming machine, multi-purpose spring machine. Daily use, daily use household hooks in kitchen room or bathroom. Okay, show you the some more samples. The some more samples. Some more samples. All of them, if you have the same or similar one, send me your drawing to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. Take a picture, add my WhatsApp. Okay. Every of them, torsion, double torsion, wire forming products, wire bending, wire forming products, torsion, double torsion, different steels, different materials. Our machine processing the material. First, let me introduce the material workable for our machine. Iron, steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, bronze, copper, aluminum, and as well different type of alloys. For the material is shape. First, mostly goes along the wire, smooth, even, and smooth at the surface. This is the long wire. Also goes for the flat wire, flat strip, as rectangle or square or cornered at four corners. So long wire, flat strip, rectangle or square in shape for processable. Our machine processing, and the material mostly as iron, steel, stainless steel, carbon steel, panel, aluminum, copper, bronze, and as well different alloys. Every of land, if you have the same or similar one, send me your drawing. If you have inquiry, send me your drawing or send me your sample pictures to my WhatsApp. This is the typical conveyor belt related conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enlobing. Chocolate coating, chocolate enlobing. Here's the machine running cameras with wire rotary, 12 axis, 8 millimeter. We have the sellers in different models. Different capability for wire from 2 to 10 millimeter. I show you some more samples. Some more samples as like this. Beverage automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. Irregular compression spring. This using for automatic drink beverage selling machine. We have a machine, special function machine. Only it must produce this pipe, clip, pipe clamp at rate almost 20 pieces per minute at different wire size, max for wire diameter 3 millimeter. This one sample 156 millimeter for its outside diameter, outer diameter, 156 pipe clip. We have a machine make land at a rate almost 20 pieces per minute. These products are widely used in 3 fields. Firstly, the petroleum, the crude oil, the gas, the petroleum transport network system. The second, and the construction, municipal construction site, building the house construction site, and also as the agriculture, water irrigating system, huge demanding for these products. For example, the grape plant, this one. This wire bending. As if you have the similar or total different products, you can send me your drawing. This is 3-dimension or cubic or 2-dimension wire bending products. Torsion spring, extension spring, different wire size and different shape, using in car, automobile industry, in sports field, in sports equipment, in entertainment, outdoor activities. For example, the children, the children's trampoline have using at least 12 pieces per trampoline. This pull spring, extension spring, extension spring, regular compression spring, regular compression spring. This regular compression spring at ready of the shape and the wires, ready of the wire size. This the conic, the tower shape. We have a compression spring machine, automatic compression spring, 2 axis, 4 axis, or 6 axis compression spring machine for the wire from 0.2, 0.15 max to 6 millimeter compression spring. Here's a compression in lotion pump trigger sprayer. Here's a compression spring inside. Compression spring, lotion, shampoo, perfume, and alcohol bottle. Trigger sprayer, 1 compression inside. Spiral, wire mesh, spiral spring, constant force spring, spiral spring, constant force spring. This constant force spring, widely used in car seat self belt. Car seat self belt. Okay, my friends, if you have some more questions, please write a text message. Let me know if you are interested. If you have some more questions, please write your comments, write your questions to let me know in text message here during. Okay, I will reply you. So our clients are widely in almost every field. For example, the spring manufacturer, the cars accessory plant, or food processing industry, for entertainment, for sports accessory, for outdoor activities. As well, we provide a lot of customized solution for typical works, typical industry. Every field, a lot of fields using in wire forming, in spring, regular spring, or special springs. So we are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, founded in year 2005. We have you can find me at Facebook, at YouTube. You can find more sampling videos at my YouTube site. Also, to my Alibaba site and YouTube, Facebook, Alibaba, and here's you can find. If you have this task, you can send me your drawing. Okay, this the stainless steel. This is stainless steel, and the wire bending, wire twisted, wire bending. This one and this one. This one wire bending. Here's sleeve spring. Sleeve spring. Using in high temperature or high humidity side to protect this, to protect the wire, go through the wire, protect its outer isolation layer. Sleeve spring. This in shape like earthworm sleeve spring. We have also the medical purpose high precision guiding wire for medical instrument. Okay, here's our machine. I'll show you some more details. Okay, this is our site for different machines. Here's the machine, and the whole machine. I just hold the wire locally. Once open the wire feeding, it goes to sampling directly. This is the cameras with wire locally. Okay, this is our assembly site, assembly workshop for the machines. We are manufactured in Dongguan, South China. Our assembly site, our field in Dongguan City. Okay. So next, I'll show you some of the documents to tell him telling every status of the machine for more details. Okay, my friend. This is Vega. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Our factory is a middle-sized, total staff 23%, total staff 23%. Founded 2005, middle-sized, professional CNC spring machine manufacturer with our own brand GSM, GuangJin Spring machine. I'll show you the documents and the papers. This is our catalog. Every year in the summer, we will attend Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition every year. Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition at Canton Fair Halls. So our factory just within 1 hour driving light to Canton Fair site within 53 kilometers, and from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport 75 kilometers within 70 minutes. Our machine total 18 models for spring cutting machine, spring forming machine, spring cutting machine, spring forming machine, Camellis spring forming machine with wire rotary, and can type with wire rotary, as well compression spring machine for the wire 0.15 max to 6 millimeter for compression spring. So here's some more details by the papers I'll show you to get a clear idea of our machine. Firstly, this is my contact. You can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat, or send me your drawing, send me your inquiry, or form away by email site, my standby email site. And for more videos, please visit my YouTube site. Here's my YouTube site for more videos introducing our business activities, our factory, our machine, and our ability to provide customized solution. And for daily business activities, you can visit my Facebook site for the daily business activities. Here's my contact. I'm the GSM, our brand, GuangJin Spring machine. I'm a baker, export sales manager. Spring machine for springs, oil seal, lake time spring, conveyor belts, and a wire mesh or tailed thread insert making machine. Here's the one, Camellis spring forming machine, multi-purpose spring machine, multi-slide spring forming machine. Camellis with or without wire rotary for 10 axes, max to 15 axes. Feeding wire length 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. This one, the cam type. A lot of deer made by this machine, price competitive for agricultural tasks, mass producing the lake time, lake teeth, torsion spring, using in harvester or strawberry. A lot of deer. We do a lot of deer. In the past over 20 years, our machine had reached the country, over 32 countries and regions. For example, to every continent, every of these 5 continents, to Europe, to Africa, to Asia, Oceania, and Americans, and America. Also like country, Poland, Belarus, Russia, Turkey, Spain, Algeria, Egypt, Iran, Vietnam, India, Thailand, Indonesia, Australia, Mexico, Colombia, Peru, Chile, Argentina, Brazil. This is price competitive for its cam type. First line, price, very good price, and the baseline cam with wire rotary for complicated tasks. Price competitive with wire rotary for wire rotated tasks, wire bending or wire twisted. spring quality machine. Our spring quality machine, 2 axis, 4 axis, or 6 axis spring quality machine. If you have the same a similar one, please send me your inquiry. If you are planning for a spring machine purchase, add my WhatsApp, send me your drawing by picture or by PDF file. Our special customized machine with special typical function. For example, as number 1, conveyor belt wire mesh. Number 2, pipe clip, pipe clamp, hose clamp. At lathe, number 2, output lathe, almost 20 pieces per minute. Number 3, wire straightening machine. Handling max wire 3 millimeter. At length 20 millimeter to 1.5 meter. Number 4, tailed thread insert making machine. As well, we have this page, children, conveyor belt, chocolate coating, wire mesh, chocolate enlobing belt, chocolate coating chain, foot. For material, foot grade stainless steel SU304 mostly at wire size from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. 3 models. The center one max for 4 millimeter, and this one max for 2 millimeter, 2.5 meter. Every of them, all these 3 models, total 11 axes. One full set of this machine, for example, one full set of this machine, including the wire decoil, the forming tools, the support stand, the whole set machine, and the forming tools, the daily use tools, export non-solid work. We do a lot of deal to see this field. We start in 2012, and so over 300 sets of machines have sold for this related field: chocolate coating, chocolate enlobing. And this as well cam type 4 axis for the conveyor belt related tasks. Here's the tasks. All of them, if you have the same or similar, send me your inquiry. Every of them, we have the professional solution to mass producing them. Every of them. Every of them. Here's the various type of springs: extension, torsion or double torsion, constant force, copper coil, while bending products, while forming products, constant force spiral, using a car seat self belt. Also, as like this, the beige, the double torsion spring. the constant force spring. The constant force spring. Lows torsion, double torsion, compression springs. Every of them, we can provide you the professional solution. And the wire forming products. Okay, my friend, I show you the details. We are mid-sized spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China. This is just a learning showcase and the operating system in language Chinese, English, control system, operating system in language Chinese, English, or customized. Also, we can provide customized in Spanish, Russian, Turkish, Portuguese, French. This for a learning case. Camera is 12 axis. This is our work site for spring forming machine. This for the rounding up cam type. This is the cam type. Just a round up to be put on the tools, to be insert the manger, put on the layer, put on the tool holder, put on the tools, then go next for sampling. Sampling two or three, one or two models. After sampling, we will go the client. We will invite clients come to our factory to provide a free user training. And the training usually take 2 or 3 days. For domestic clients, 2 to 5 days, and for foreigners, provide 3 to 6 days free user training. So here is total 6 machines. This goes for the flat strip tasks. Cam type for the long wire max 2, 2.3 stainless steel. And today this one for conveyor belt 1 millimeter in sampling, and this one for pipe clip, pipe clamp. And this area for compression spring, small compression spring, 2 axis compression spring. This goes for, this is the 4 axis model GJ20A for wire 0.15 to 2 millimeter, 4 axis, high speed, control system host. For compression spring, this goes for compression spring, up slider. Now in sample the copper, sample using copper wire. Okay, this is our assembly area. I show you how it's running. This is our compression. This is our cameras with wire rotary. This is for with wire rotary. Running up. but I had stopped the wire feeding. If I open the wire feeding, this machine most for agriculture purpose for the lake time, lake teeth. 4 pair feeding rows, 4 pair feeding rows. Its running way 180-degree semicircle, 8 sliders. We can also put a servo sizer at 9 o'clock side, the slider 9 o'clock slider, and usually put the spinner at 6 o'clock side. And these machines on the wall, our other similars. This one 4 axis compression spring machine, and this one for wire 2 to 8 millimeter. This is our special. We have the special total 6 machine models to mass producing the conveyor belt related conveyor belt wire mesh, chocolate coating chain, chocolate enrolling belt for the double hook, double loop edges, or single loop edges. Every of them, we can provide you professional solution. This is my contact. Okay, you can take a picture and add my WhatsApp. Next time, once you come to China, come to South China, bring along with your samples. Take 2 or 3 hours, come to our factory for a face-to-face discussion to have an audit, have an audit to our factory to check our ability at provide professional solution, customized solution for you, to check our quality control, to check our key paths to every machine. Okay, see you. Bye bye.